If you are out there a beginner and you want to begin your channel and you want to prosper and quickly do this and blow up on YouTube, these are the things you need to know. Be ready. I wish somebody prepared me. Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Modesta and thanks for stopping by to watch this video. Guys, yesterday marked exactly 3 years ever since I posted a video here on YouTube, and it has been a hell of a journey. I have to confess this. Anyway, I'm just going to share my experience and what I've learned within the 3 years. And of course, it's new dawn. It's now new dawn, or new dawn has come. So guys, November 21st, 2021 is when I posted my first video, my introductory video here on YouTube. And I was very zealous and I was hoping everything was going to go well. Of course, I knew few things here and there, few requirements here and there, but guys, you didn't tell me it. You didn't tell me it's not what I thought it is. Okay, for the 3 years, I can't say I have been consistent. I lately uploaded a video as to why at some point I quit YouTube. After posting that year, I posted the next year shortly and ended up not posting totally, and I explained myself why. But I have learned so much, but I won't lie, to some point I gave up on doing YouTube. Anyway, but after I have learned this much, I've decided, why not tell someone who is out there and they are beginning and they don't know anything. So guys, if you are out there a beginner and you want to begin your channel and you want to prosper and quickly do this and blow up on YouTube, these are the things you need to know. Be ready. I wish somebody prepared me. I wish somebody told me that it wasn't going to be what I thought it was. Anyway, direct to the video, guys. You people didn't tell me. The people of that time, anyway, it is not you. You are here for me, and I'm glad. Maybe just to mention that so far I have 74 subscribers and I'm super excited about that. But I really urge you guys, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly just hit that subscribe button down there and subscribe to my channel to at least move me to 100 subscribers. You know, it's really helps. Seeing one person subscribe to my channel really makes me happy, and I can't wait to throw a party for 100 subscribers, which I know will come very soon, and then focus on my journey to 1,000 subscribers. With you guys, I know it's possible. Guys, if not for anything, just for pity, if you can't subscribe, maybe you don't like my content, but you've come across this video, please do it for pity. 3 years, three good years. I was thinking about it and I was like, oh, somebody needed to record. Anyway, direct to the video. Okay, these are the things I've learned in the 3 years, and I thought like I should share with someone who wants to begin their channel so that they can be prepared for this and maybe know how to go about it so that it doesn't hit them hard like it did hit me. Number one, I didn't know that I needed the skills. Yeah, I didn't know. I thought it's all about recording a video and just uploading it. It's more than that, guys. It's more than that. If you're out there and you want to begin your channel, you need to have the skills of how you need to record your video, how you need to edit your video, how you're going to upload it, and what are these things or features you need to include in your video. I even didn't know anything about a thumbnail. Okay, I used to see people's videos with thumbnails, but I even didn't know how they were coming up with them, but now I know. And since I knew, personally, I could just record my videos, edit them. I learned little about editing and just throw them there on my channel, and nobody could view my videos. Nobody was watching my videos, and I was like, come on, why? And the anxiety kills, guys. As a beginner, you're going to be anxious. Be prepared. You're going to be anxious all the time. You're going to check your channel to see if somebody subscribed, if somebody watched. I even didn't know that I needed to analyze my videos and see what's working and what's not working. I could literally throw them there and just leave them there for days, and I even didn't know I was supposed to be consistent. Oh my goodness. But now if you are there beginning, kindly try, be consistent. Learn something, learn how you can edit, how you can upload appropriately, what you need to add in your videos so that they can at least be engaging and to at least grab the attention of your audience. Another thing I didn't know was that I was going to spend a lot of time doing this. Guys, recording is super easy. But why didn't I know that I was going to spend sleepless nights editing? Why? Why didn't I know? After recording, I would have. I remember those days I could record hours and hours of hours long videos, over an hour long video. And I need to go through this video, do the cutting, do the splitting and the editing and adding all those features. And it literally took me nights. And sometimes you're not done. But then, why is it that I would edit a video on a given app, and when I want to export it, it's not gonna let me do that? Why? When I say that it has been 3 hectic years, I mean it, guys. YouTube isn't easy, but it is possible. So sometimes I could edit a video on a given app, and once I'm done exporting it, it fails, and it really refuses to upload. And I have already come up with a final draft. So I need to go ahead, look for another editing app, and begin afresh. That's why I'm saying that you need the skills, guys. You need the knowledge. You need to know which apps are going to be favorable. And in my other videos, I'll be recommending to you some editing apps that are literally free, but very friendly, and they are going to give you an easy time. And YouTube is not that complicated. If you master the skill of doing it, it's going to be super easy, and you're going to grow very quickly and very easily. So I didn't know about that, but now I know. So marching forward, guys, I am prepared to edit, and I've mastered the skill of editing. I do it super quickly. Another thing I didn't know is that I needed resources. As much as I advocate doing YouTube on your phone, it's not going to be easy. If you are out there beginning your channel on your phone, just know it's not going to be easy, because you're going to require space, and of course most of our phones are full. You're going to require adequate space. Sometimes you record a video, but you cannot edit and export it because you don't have enough space. Or sometimes you are in the middle of a video recording and your phone says storage is no longer enough. So you have to stop there. You have to create space and then pick up from where you stopped. And guys, No, that's not something you want to experience. So be prepared for space, storage space. Ensure you have at least a good number of space. I wasn't prepared for that, so it led to my quitting for some time. Not really to look for space. I thought with time I would find a good phone with adequate space, but life has not been lifing. So be prepared that you need resources. You need a good phone with enough space. You also need a quality camera. My camera is not quality, and I've said if I continue waiting that one time I'm going to have one quality camera, let it come while I'm going. I said for the sake of consistency, I'm going to be uploading no matter how my videos are going to look like. Because tell me guys, recently I just recorded some videos, and after uploading, I spent sleepless nights editing them, and after uploading them on YouTube, it turns out that they are not clear. Like, what happened? Then I realized my camera is not a good quality. Okay, people say that there are some camera apps you can use. I haven't tried one. I'll consider trying one because I will invest in a good camera, and once I buy a camera, guys, I'll come here and show you. Okay, anyway, so you need resources. You need a tripod. I wish you saw what I am using as a stand, as my tripod. Okay, I have a selfie stick, yes, but it cannot stand on its own. So as we speak, I am having a laundry basket, and I have placed it facing down. I have placed some maize in some tin. Then I have inserted in my selfie stick so that it can at least stand. But with time, we will get a good tripod stand, or a good stand rather, and maybe a ring light. So a camera, enough storage space, a stand or something. You know, a stand is very important to prevent your videos from shaking. You see, at least this one is standby. So I think that's basically all I've learned in the 3 years, and marching forward, I'm prepared for this, and to just encourage a beginner out there. No matter how your videos are looking like, just post it. You may not attract the same audience as someone who is posting very good quality videos will attract, but at least you're going to attract someone. By the virtue that 2 or 3 people are watching your videos, that's a plus. By the virtue that one person has subscribed, it means you're doing something good. So please continue posting. Don't give up on yourself as I did. Let it take you 3 years as it took me. But I know for you, if you are prepared for these few things, then it is going to take you little time to grow on YouTube and possibly get monetized. So maybe just to wrap up, be ready that you are going to spend a lot of time doing this. You will need resources. There is a camera, a stand, good storage. Be prepared that you are going to require skills. I'm going to record another video and teach you how you're supposed to record a YouTube video so that to attract a lot of views. So I'll stop here, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and kindly once again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you are watching this video, please consider doing that. It really excites me seeing my subscriber count moving from 1 to 2, from 74 now to 75. I will really appreciate. Thank you and bye.